Want a free phone number? Here's how to get one with Google Voice in 2025. First, sign into the Google account you want to link to the new number. Open voice.google.com or the Google Voice app and tap Get a Number to begin. Search by city or area code, review available options, and pick your preferred number. Verify with an existing mobile number for forwarding and recovery when prompted. Confirm terms, enable call forwarding if you want, then save your new Google Voice number. Open settings to customize voicemail, call screening, and text forwarding preferences. Privacy tip 1. Avoid posting this number publicly to reduce spam and tracking. Privacy tip 2. Enable two-factor authentication and keep recovery info separate and current. If verification fails, try a different phone number, clear app cache, or use desktop mode. Remember to check region availability and app permissions if calls or messages are not working. Quick recap: sign and get a number, verify customized settings, and secure it. Like and subscribe.